Hey guys, this is Miss Sangram and you are watching Career Adda with Sangram. Welcome to a new job update video in this channel. So today in this video there is a big update from a huge company. The budget is also good for this job. Main part of the job is that any fresher can apply for this job and minimum qualification should be the graduate. So if you are graduate from any stream, you can apply for this job. If you are interested for this job, please watch the entire video. In the video, I have mentioned every single details of the job, like the job requirement, the job role. Also, I have mentioned how to apply for this specific role. If you are new to this channel and want to get regular job updates, career updates, course updates, everything from a single channel, you can subscribe the channel. Also, enable the bell notification to get notified from this channel. So without wasting any time, let's dive into our video. Hello everyone, this is Miss Sangram. You are watching Career Adda with Sangram. Today there is a new job opportunity from Microsoft company. This specific job opportunity is for all the software engineers who have a great knowledge on coding and who are passionate on data structure, system design and writing codes. So here the job role is software engineer, and freshers and experienced both are eligible for this role. The minimum eligibility criteria is B.Tech in computer science or electronics or telecommunication, or if you have done MCA, MSc in computer science, then you can also apply for this role. Also, if you have done M.Tech or MS, then you are also eligible. Here they have provided all the details about the job opportunity. The job location is Bangalore and the job is posted on 16th of January. Travel will be not required. It's 25% travel they have mentioned. It means there will be not a travel requirement from the client side. The discipline will be software engineering and it will be a full-time employment with Microsoft. Here they have mentioned all the details about the job, and here they are actually looking for the developers or coders. So in responsibilities, they have properly mentioned all the responsibilities which are completely aligned with the software development processes. So if you are very good in developing logic, data structure, writing codes, then you can apply for this role. As the company name is Microsoft, it will give you a great amount of money as a fresher. Like you can expect a salary range between 15 to 30 lakh per annum based on your skills on data structure and software engineering. And if you are experienced, you can earn up to 50 lakh per annum in this specific role. So you can gather all the requirement from here, and qualification they have mentioned bachelor's degree in computer science, related technical discipline, and some of the languages they have mentioned that C, C++, C#, Java, JavaScript or Python. You need to be proficient in any of the language, and they will mainly work on your data structure skill and system design skill. If you are very good on these things, you can apply for this opportunity. Now, how to apply for this opportunity? To apply, you need to click on this apply now button. It will ask you to create a profile, and then you can attach your resume and apply accordingly. Then if your profile got shortlisted, the recruiter will call you or mail you for the interview purpose. There will be couple of rounds, 5 to 6 rounds in average, and if you are experienced, it might be 8 to 10 rounds as well, to test your skills on system design, data structure, algorithm and writing codes. So you can apply accordingly. If there is any doubt, any query, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you are new to this channel and if you want to get regular job updates like work from home jobs, work from office jobs, full-time jobs, internships and part-time jobs, you subscribe to this channel and stay tuned with us. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye. This is all about today's job update. If you find anything informative in this video, please do a like and subscribe to this channel and support us. Also, if you have any query or any kind of discussion, you can follow me in Instagram. My Instagram ID will be present in the description box, so you can directly DM me for any kind of discussion. Also, I will provide all the job links in the description box. You can directly redirect to the apply page in the job portal. So for today, I am signing out. Take care. Bye.